you are new to WordPress, and you are testing and experimenting with a lot of things on your website's backend, and now you wish to reset back your WordPress installation as it was just after a fresh installation, or you want to delete your WordPress website, then don't worry, I'm here to help you from scratch. In this video, I will not only show you how you can reset or delete your WordPress website installation, but also I will be showing you that how you can make a backup before reset, and how you can restore your website using backup. We will be resetting this WordPress website from scratch with the help of the WP Reset plugin. Now, to reset or delete your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard and hover over the plugin tab, and then click on Add New. Now type WP Reset in the plugin search field. Here you will get the same 5 stars rated plugin by Web Factory Limited. Now install and activate this plugin. To reset your website back to WordPress default website, just hover over the Tools tab, and then click on the WP Reset. Now here you will get many tabs. First, click on the snapshots to take a backup of your WordPress database. The backup will be your lifesaver. If anything goes wrong and you need to roll back, you can easily restore your website with the help of backup. The snapshot you will create here have a limited scope of site restoration because this is not a full site backup, this is just a backup of your database tables. If you want to make a full website backup, then click on the above card or watch the end screen video to know the best way of WordPress website backup. Now to create a snapshot, click on the Create Snapshot button, then give any name, and click again on the Create Snapshot button to confirm. Here you can see, we have successfully created our website snapshot. In the next step, to reset your WordPress website, just click on the Reset tab. Now here you will get 3 options to reset your WordPress website. With the free plan, you will get a single option to reset your website, which is more than enough for a regular user. Now, here is the checklist of data that will get deleted or not. Red bin means data will get deleted or destroyed. Grey tick means data will not be deleted or destroyed. For example, these data will not be deleted such as media files, site title, site address, search engine visibility, time zone, and all these data list down here like plugin files and theme files. To reset your website, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now here you will get the Site Reset tool. Here is the checkbox of what will happen after the site reset. Make sure to select this option only. Now type Reset in this field, and then click on the Reset Site button. Once you will click on the Reset Site button, then you will get a pop-up for final confirmation. Just click on the Reset WordPress button to confirm. Once your site reset is completed, you will be logged out automatically. Log in again for further steps. Now our website has been successfully reset to the default settings. Let's see how our website is looking now. Here you can see our website's previous data and design is disappeared, and a default freshly installed WordPress website is currently showing here. Let's see the Posts tab. Here you will get a Hello World default post. Here in the Pages tab, you will get 2 default pages that are a privacy page, and a sample page just like fresh WordPress installation. Now here in the Themes, you will get 2021 theme activated, just like a fresh installation. Our previously activated theme is get deactivated but not deleted as promised in the reset checklist. In the Plugins tab, none of the plugins get deleted but all the plugins get deactivated except WP Reset plugin, which we have chosen to get activated after reset. Our website still doesn't get deleted completely, only the website's PHP My Admin database is get deleted. At this point, you can easily restore your website with the help of a snapshot because none of the data is deleted such as theme files, plugin files, all the previously installed themes and plugins are only deactivated. Once you will delete your plugins and themes, you will not be able to restore your website with the help of a snapshot. You will only be able to restore your website if you have created full site backup before site reset. I will be showing you the right method to complete website deletion in a moment, but before that, Let's see how we can restore our website back to its original appearance. To do so, hover over the tools, and then click on the WP Reset. Now click on the Snapshot tab. Here you can see, we have a previously created snapshot. To restore it, click on the Actions drop-down, and then click on the Restore Snapshot option. Once you will click, you get a pop-up to confirm the restoration. Just click on the Restore Snapshot button to confirm. Once restoration will be completed, then you will again get logged out. Log in once again. Now let's see how our website is looking. Now here you can see, our website is successfully restored to its original appearance. Now if you want to delete your website completely, then before and after resetting your website, you need to do a few additional steps. Let me show you very quickly. To delete your website completely, go to the Plugins tab, and select all the plugins except WP Reset, and then select Deactivate option from the Bulk Action drop-down. Now click on the Apply button to deactivate all selected plugins together. Now again select all the plugins except WP Reset plugin, and then select the Delete option from the Bulk Action drop-down. Now click on the Apply button to delete all selected plugins together. Now hover over the Appearance tab, and then click on the Themes options. Now here if you don't have the default theme of the year installed, then click on the Add New. And then search Default Theme of the Year. It may be 2021, 2022, or any other theme of the respective year. I am currently in 2021, so I will be installing 2021 theme, which is the default theme of the year. Now why I'm asking you to install the default theme of the year, because you need to have one theme installed all the time in WordPress, otherwise you will not get an option to delete or deactivate your currently installed theme. The second thing is that once your website is completely deleted, then the default theme of the year will get activated automatically. Once you installed and activated the default theme, click anywhere on the deactivated theme. Now to delete the theme files, just click on this button. Similarly, delete all the installed themes except the default WordPress theme. Now hover over the Tools tab, and click on the WP Reset option. Click on the Tools tab of the plugin window, and scroll down a bit. You will get the Delete Transients section. Just click on the Delete All Transients button. Once you will click on the Delete Transients button, a pop-up will be open to confirm the action. Just click on the Delete All Transients button again to confirm your action. Down below the Transients section, you will get the options for deleting Purge Cache, Local Data, Themes, Plugins, and Custom Tables. You will also get an option to clean the Uploads folder. Just do the similar action as done with the Delete Transients option to delete all the data one by one. Now click on the Reset tab, then scroll down to the bottom side. Here in the Site Reset section, make sure to select only this checkbox. And now type Reset in this field. And then click on the Reset Site button. Once you will click on the Reset Site button, then you will get a pop-up for final confirmation. Just click on the Reset WordPress button to confirm. Congratulations, your website is completely deleted. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get new video updates, and make sure to check out the end screen video. Guys, what will be the topic of our next video? Let me know in the comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.